Hello, how are you doing? Oh, hello, I'm doing good. And you? I'm fine, thanks. So I've heard that you are going to travel this weekend. Is it true? Yes, I had the concern of where I could let my dog until Mariana showed me a hotel for pets. Oh, that's nice. So which country are you planning to visit? France, but I was thinking of visit England and Italy. But I'm not going to have finished this program by the big day. What are you doing here? I've been waiting for my girlfriend for 2 hours. Probably she forgot the meeting. I will be coming back home when she calls me. Oh, what shame. If you want, I will take you home. Yeah, sure. Let's go.